I'm going to go hop in there and start it, and then we're going to back out so we can go ahead and go all the way around it for you. Some of the features is all brand new leather bench seat, leather dash, suede top on the inside there, some show up on top, and then it has a tilt steering wheel. It has a brand new wiring kit. It has vintage air conditioning, and it has full side windows that are automatic. So the wings are out, so you know what that's all about. But I'll show you, I'll demonstrate stuff on the outside there, Clark. Show the window here. Everything is brand new in here. The car itself, after the frame-on restoration, has 400 miles on it, and like I said, everything is include motor and transmission. The motor and transmission came from Chevrolet Performance, and they're brand new also. I just had it dynoed about 6 months ago when I right before summertime. And I have that for you also. It was 438 horse to the rear